Welcome students. Now we are going to start exercise 2.2. Our first question is find value of polynomial this at first x equal to 0, second x equal to minus 1. So our solution will be like this. Whatever polynomial is given, here variable is x. So we will write p of x is equal to minus 4x square plus 5x plus 3. Look, यहाँ पे x का पावर 1 था, यहाँ x का पावर 2 और यहाँ पे x नहीं है, मतलब उसका पावर 0. So a polynomial should be written in descending order of power. मतलब सबसे बड़ा पावर पहले, फिर उसके बाद उससे छोटा, फिर उसके बाद उससे छोटा, जैसा भी दिया है उसके अकॉर्डिंग. So this is the highest power we are having, that is 2 with a negative sign, तो उसको वैसा लिखा, then 5x, then 3. Now what we have to find? First, at x equal to 0 means wherever x is there we have to put 0. X equal to 0 means x के जगह पे 0. So here p of 0 is equal to minus 4 into 0 square plus 5 into 0 plus 3. So this is 0 square means 0. This whole will be 0. This also 0. So this is 0 plus 0 plus 3. So that is 3. So value of p of 0 will be 3. Second, at x equal to minus 1. So in place of x we have to put minus 1 here. So it will be p of minus 1 is equal to minus 4 into minus 1 square plus 5 into minus 1 plus 3. So this is minus power 2, which is even number. So this will become 1. So 1 into minus 4 will be minus 4. 5 into minus 1 is minus 5 plus 3. Now minus 4 and minus 5 together they will make minus 9 plus 3, and when you solve this you will get minus 6. So p of minus 1 is minus 6. This is how you will find value of any polynomial at a particular given number. Our next question is verify if the following are zeros of polynomial. One polynomial is given, just for example p of x is equal to 3x plus 1, and the value of x is given minus 1 by 3. We have to check whether this minus 1 by 3 is zero of this polynomial or not. So for that we will find p of minus 1 by 3. इसके लिए हमको क्या करना है, जहां जहां x है वहां minus 1 by 3 रख देना है. So this will become 3 into minus 1 by 3 plus 1. 3 and 3 cancelled, so only minus 1 is left, and this is plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 will be 0. तो हमारा वैल्यू 0 आ रहा है. p of minus 1 by 3 is 0. So it is, yes, it is a 0 of given polynomial. Same thing we have to check here. Here value of x is 1 by 2. So p of 1 by 2 is equal to 2 into, in place of x 1 by 2 plus 1. This 2 and 2 will cancel. 1 plus 1, that is 2, which is not equal to 0 because p of 1 by 2 is not equal to 0. So it is not a 0 of given polynomial. मतलब whatever value is given उस वैल्यू को आप वापस डाल दो. अगर 0 आ गया मतलब वो 0 गिवन पॉलिनोमियल का है, 0 नहीं आया तो नहीं है. Next, how to find zero of polynomial. Find zeros of following polynomial. अब आपको polynomial दिया है, कोई नंबर नहीं दिया है, हमको निकालना है कि उसका जीरो क्या होगा. So for that you just put p of x equal to 0. Now p of x is given x plus 5. So x plus 5 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 5. So x equal to minus 5 is 0 of given. Next topic is remainder theorem, which is very important from exam point of view. What this theorem says, that if p of x is divided by x minus a, then remainder is p of a. अब ये समझने में थोड़ा टफ लगता है तो एग्जांपल से देखते हैं. दिस इज अ क्वेश्चन. डिवाइड दिस by this. So here we have to divide this by this. So for that what we will do? First I am doing the long division method. This is 3x power 4, 4x power 3, power 4, power 3. Then there should be power 2. But there is no power 2. So I will write 0x power 2 minus 3x minus 1, which is to be divided by x minus 1. So what will be our first quotient? Here first term is 3x power 4 and our first divisor is x. So this will give 3x power 3. 3x power 3. Now 3x cube into x is 3x power 4. And 3x cube into minus 1 is minus 3x cube. When we will solve this, this will be cancelled. This is minus 4 and plus 3. So which will give you minus x cube plus 0x square. Now my first dividend is minus x cube. And here divisor is x, which will give minus x square. Minus x square. Now minus x square into x is minus x cube. And minus x square into minus 1 is plus 1x square. When this sign will change, this will be cancelled out. And here it will be 0. And minus 1, that is minus x square and minus 3x. Now here first term is minus x square and here it is x, so it will be minus x minus x. Minus x into x is minus x square and minus x into minus 1 is plus x. So this will become positive, this will become negative, cancelled. Minus 3 and minus 1 will be minus 4x and this is minus 1. So now this will be multiplied by minus 4. Minus 4 into x will be minus 4x and minus 4 and minus 1 will be plus 4. So this will be positive, this will be negative, cancelled, and this is minus 5. Remember, remainder is minus 5. Now I am doing this by another method. Remember this remainder. This remainder was minus 5 by doing this long method. Now if I apply remainder theorem, this is my p of x. 3x power 4 minus 4x power 3 minus 3x minus 1 and x minus a divided by x minus a. So in place of a is 1. If I have to find value of x, then I have to put this equal to 0. So if x minus 1 equal to 0 means x is equal to 1, means this a, value of this a is 1. So our remainder will be p of 1. So p of 1 means just put 1 power 4 minus 4, 1 power 3 minus 3 into 1 minus 3. Now 1 power 4 means 1, 3 into 1 will be 3, 4 into 1 will be 4, minus 3, minus 3. Sorry, this is minus 1. Last term is minus 1. So this is 3 which is positive, this is negative, this is negative, this is negative. All 3 will be added. Minus 4, minus 3, minus 7, minus 7, minus 1, minus 8. Now 3 minus 8 is minus 5 which is same. So this is our remainder theorem. Means अगर आपको remainder निकालना है तो क्या करो, जिस भी चीज से आपको डिवाइड करना है उसको इक्वल टू 0 कर दो, जो भी वैल्यू आ रहा है उतने का पी ऑफ निकाल लो. We'll do some example like here. Find the remainder when this is divided by x plus 1. हमको x plus 1 से डिवाइड करना है. So if I put x plus 1 is equal to 0, so it will give x equal to minus 1. So therefore value of a is minus 1. Now p of x is x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. So p of minus 1 will be minus 1 cube minus 1 square minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 negative, that is minus 1. This is plus 1 into 3 plus 3 minus 3 plus 1. So 3 minus 3 will be 0, minus 1 plus 1 will be 0. So our remainder will be 0. Second question. Find the remainder when this is divided by x minus a. If I put this x minus a equal to 0, I will get x is equal to a. So p of x is x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a. Remainder will be p of a, means a cube minus a into a square plus 6a minus a. A into a square will be a cube plus 6a minus a will be 5a. This will be cancelled. So this is 5a is my remainder.